welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix XClass notifications not working on iPhone. First of all, check your notification settings. Go to settings and then go to notifications, or just search the name of your app, and then if you have turned the notifications allow button off, then toggle it on. Next, what you're gonna do is open the XClass and then go to settings and then notification and turn on alerts for the game event. First, close the XClass and reboot your iPhone to refresh the notification services. Privacy tip: only allow notifications on your personal device to avoid account alerts being seen by others. Quick fix: if the notification still fails, make sure to turn off do not disturb or focus mode. Reinstall the app. In-app settings will remain saved if your account is linked. Contact the XClass support if the issue proceeds, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.